If you're a nature enthusiast, you need to experience the wild wonders of Thrissur. Nestled in the heart of Kerala, Thrissur is a haven for wildlife lovers. From the majestic elephants that roam the forests to the vibrant bird species that paint the sky, Thrissur is a living canvas of nature. Ever seen a Malabar giant squirrel? These adorable creatures leap through the treetops with grace. And let's not forget the elusive leopards, masters of camouflage, silently stalking their prey. The wetlands of Thrissur are a paradise for bird watchers. Spot the elegant painted storks or the playful antics of the Indian roller. Each visit here is a reminder of the beauty and importance of wildlife conservation. Join us in celebrating and protecting these incredible creatures, because every small effort counts in preserving Thrissur's wild side. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the wild and witness the magic of Thrissur's wildlife. See you there.